Japan's latest realistic humanoid robot. Japan has just unveiled its most realistic humanoid robot yet, so lifelike that's hard to tell where human ends and machine begins. With living skin, expressive facial movements, and the ability to interact almost naturally, this creation marks a new milestone in robotics. In this video, we are going to explore its physical design, advanced technology, human-like behavior, the teams behind its development, and the potential impact it could have on society. But before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Physical design. The new robot's design emphasizes strikingly human-like proportions, skin tone, and facial detail. Built with the head, torso, and limbs of an average adult, it features synthetic skin enhanced with living tissue that is soft, elastic, and capable of self-repair. This biovibrid skin represents a major breakthrough, as it can heal small cuts like real human skin, advancing beyond earlier silicone or polymer coverings. Its face is fitted with realistic eyes, eyelids, and a natural complexion supported by a network of tiny motors and tie lines. These allow subtle expressions such as blinking, smiling, or frowning to appear fluid and lifelike. Observers often find its facial motion nearly indistinguishable from that of a human. Internally, the hardware, motors, compressors, and batteries is hidden to maintain a clean, organic look. Articulated joints at the neck, shoulders, and torso support natural postures, while embedded pressure and stretch sensors help the robot respond safely at contact. The design's sober and neutral aesthetic, often modeled on an average person, reduces distraction and emphasizes realism. Compared with earlier humanoids like Pepper or Now, this model achieves a far higher degree of human likeness. Though some find it slightly eerie, it marks a decisive step away from cartoonish designs toward genuine human realism. Technology and AI. Under its realistic skin, the robot is packed with advanced technologies. It has multiple cameras, eyes, and microphones, ears, to perceive its environment, along with tactile and motion sensors throughout its body. The sensory system feeds into onboard AI that handles voice recognition, speech synthesis, and basic decision-making. The robot's brain runs artificial intelligence algorithms for natural language processing and facial expression generation. For example, Osaka University researchers have developed a new dynamic expression synthesis. They treat each small facial movement, blinks, brow movements, breathing patterns as overlapping waves that can be modulated by an internal mood value. In practice, this means the android can change its expression smoothly in real time, for example, to show excitement or fatigue without jolting between preset poses. The system is driven by internal state variables like arousal or happiness and external context. For example, someone speaks to it, creating an emotionally coherent performance. Artificial muscle and drive systems give the robot lifelike movement. Pneumatic actuators and electric servos in the neck and torso move the skin without jerking. The living skin is attached to the underlying frame via fine ligament-like anchors that mimic how real skin is anchored on a human skull. This lets the skin stretch and compress naturally as the face moves, avoiding tears. Earlier designs often required the skin to be loose or glued, which caused wrinkles or damage. The embedded AI also uses vision processors to track people's faces and gestures so the robot can maintain eye contact or respond with appropriate nods and posture. In short, the combination of cutting-edge materials, living skin, synthetic elastomers, many degrees of freedom in its structure, and AI-driven sensor processing gives the robot a remarkably lifelike presence. Behavior and human mimicry. One of the striking features is how the robot mimics human behavior. It can speak in a natural-sounding, speech synthesis voice and carry on rudimentary conversation, reading people, answering questions, using built-in voice recognition software. When listening, it will blink, nod, or tilt its head, subtle behaviors that make it feel attentive. Its facial expressions match the conversation. It can smile when responding cheerfully or narrow its eyes slightly when thinking. Thanks to the waveform-based expression technology, these expressions flow smoothly rather than appearing robotic. The robot can also imitate human movements if trained. For example, prior generations of similar androids were able to learn gestures by watching people with reflective markers. In live demos, it might wave its hand or even perform simple dances or greetings with surprisingly natural timing and spacing of motion. This fluent nonverbal communication is what sets it apart from older humanoids, which often had fixed, stilted gestures. Crucially, the design is meant to support autonomous interaction. The research goal is that the robot will not just replace scripts, but actually sense and adapt to humans. As one researcher puts it, the enhancements in expression technology mean the android could exchange information with humans in a more natural, human-like manner. In essence, the robot behaves as much like a person as current technology allows, making eye contact, reacting to touch gently, and even showing subtle emotional cues. If a person pats its arm, it might tilt its head and smile. If someone shows anger, it might mirror a concerned expression. These capabilities are still in development, but initial lab versions already demonstrate a level of human mimicry unseen in most earlier robots. developers, and research teams. The project is the result of collaboration among Japanese universities and companies. Teams contributed expertise in biohybrid skin, dynamic expressions, conversational AI, and realistic android construction. Decades of prior research on lifelike androids laid the foundation, with multiple groups pooling efforts to advance realism and interactivity. This joint effort reflects Japan's long-standing ambition to lead in humanoid robotics. The result is a robot that not only looks human but also interacts with a level of nuance previously unseen. Public and expert reactions. Reactions range from fascination to unease. Many are amazed by the realism and fluid expressions, while others find the near-human smile unsettling. Experts agree it sets a new standard but highlight the uncanny valley effect as a barrier to acceptance. Concerns also include ethical and psychological implications, issues of identity, consent, legal rights, and social impact. While praised as a major leap forward, experts call for guidelines on how such lifelike machines should be introduced into society. Potential applications. Developers see uses in hospitality, caregiving, entertainment, and education. Lifelike androids could serve as receptionists, guides, or companions, offering natural interaction that feels more personal. In elderly care, they could assist with daily tasks and provide social comfort, though concerns about replacing human touch remain. Other possible roles include stage performance, brand promotion, telepresence, and training simulations. Though expensive and still developing, these androids may eventually blend into workplaces and homes as service or companion robots. Societal and ethical concerns. The lifelike appearance of this robot raises ethical and social questions. The uncanny valley effect, where human-like machines trigger discomfort, remains a challenge. Achieving natural emotional expression without unsettling people will be key to acceptance. Deception is another issue. Robots that look and act human could mislead or manipulate emotions, making transparency important. Privacy concerns also arise since humanoids equipped with cameras and microphones could collect sensitive data, requiring clear rules on usage and storage. Some also debate whether increasingly autonomous, human-like robots should one day be given legal recognition. Employment is another worry. If robots take on roles like receptionists or aides, displaced workers may face challenges. While governments promote robots to address labor shortages, finding balance between automation and the human touch will be crucial. Comparison with earlier humanoid robots. This new robot differs from earlier models in its focus on realism rather than agility. Past designs like Asimo emphasize movement, while others use silicone skin and expressive mechanics. The latest model goes further, combining fluid motion with living tissue for more natural expressions. Japan has long led humanoid research, though competition from China and the West has intensified. This development may help reclaim its edge by highlighting subtle human-like qualities. Unlike earlier metal and plastic robots, the new approach uses biological elements, making its appearance and behavior strikingly close to real humans. In summary, compared to its predecessors, this robot looks and behaves much more human while still carrying the AI and sensing advances of modern robots. Its development bridges the gap between 2 decades of Japanese humanoid R&D, from pneumatic actuators to responsive social androids, and introduces new bioengineered innovations that make it truly stand out. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like these, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.